not made of stone. Mrs. Wood is not made of wood. They both are made of flesh and bone. Just like Mrs. Smith, just like me and you. Rose is allergic to roses. Serenity is never serene. April was born in October. Her mother, Mrs. King, she's not even a queen. My friend, Mr. Green, he's obviously not green, but he becomes grey every time he's feeling ill. Hall does not live in a hole. Neither Mrs. Hill sleeps on a hill. Mr. Brown, he's actually white, but his wife, Mrs. White, she's darker than the night. Robin is not that kind of bird, and neither is a bird. My old friend, Mr. Bird, your name is a random word that you get when you arrive in this world. Your last name is not you, neither is your parents or the parents too. The only use is let you know how to call your friends. They could have named you just Joe, Lisa, Peter, Mary, Jonathan or Fred. There's no reason for drama if you go by the name of a villain or a crook. It's not your fault if your mama named you Darth Vader or Captain Hook. Your name does not make you a mean child, and neither will make you a star. It is you who decide what kind of person you are. It's so wise not to fear names from all over the world. José, Mohammed, Francois or Vladimir are just as familiar as Bob. Mr. Freeman is not really free, works 24/7, no time to spare. And if you don't know how to call me, just whistle and I'll be there. Your name is a random word you get when you arrive in this world. Your last name is not you, neither is your parents or their parents too. The only use is let you know how to call your friends. Maybe they called you after your mom, or maybe they called you by phone. Maybe you are Peter or Jude. Just relax and tell me your favorite name, and that's how I'll call you.